Hello, welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, 14 megawatt waste gasification and 60,000 tonne recycling facility approved in West Sussex. UK Parliament launches inquiry into stopping litter. Sharps and Veolia agreement to recycle mercury-containing wastes from US medical facilities. And Enactus project upcycles advertising banners in Mexico. Grundon Waste Management has been granted planning permission for its new 200,000 tonne per year waste gasification and recycling facility in Ford, West Sussex. The redevelopment plans for the 6.5 hectare brownfield site were approved this week by West Sussex County Council's Planning Committee. The new circular technology park will include a materials recycling facility able to process 60,000 tonnes of paper, cardboard, glass and metals each year. It will also house an advanced thermal treatment waste-to-energy facility that will gasify residual waste. The plant is expected to produce around 14 megawatts of electricity, of which around 12 megawatts will be exported to the national grid and 2 megawatts consumed by the facility itself. In its planning application, the company said that gasification was selected as the most suitable type of advanced thermal treatment facility due to its reduced energy requirements and its ability to accept unprocessed and variable wastes. The UK Government's Communities and Local Government Select Committee is launching an inquiry into litter. The committee has invited submissions to the inquiry on how significant a problem littering and fly tipping is, and whether current government policies are adequate. Clive Betts, chair of the committee, explains.
Litter is a problem we can see all around us. It disposes the environment, it's expensive for councils and others to clean up. The Communities and Local Government Select Committee, which I chair, is going to do an inquiry into litter. What we want to do is to question what councils can do to deal with the litter problem more effectively in their areas, what government can do, what businesses can do to try and make sure that litter isn't available to be spread around. What can we do to stop it so that all that expense and desperation doesn't occur? We really like to hear from you, members of the public, how litter affects you and your communities. What can be done to make sure the litter problem is dealt with effectively? Send us information, send us evidence, send us photos. We'll look at that and then we'll take evidence and come up with recommendations to make sure that litter is dealt with more effectively in your communities.
Houston, Texas-based medical waste specialist, Sharps Compliance, is to jointly promote Veolia's Recycle Pack lighting and battery ship-back programme. Following an agreement with Veolia, Sharp said that it will market the service to its existing and prospective customers as a complement to its line of medical waste management solutions. The company said that approximately 680 million mercury-containing lamps are discarded each year in the US, with just 25 to 30% being properly recycled. However, the company added that virtually every component of a fluorescent lamp can be recycled. According to Veolia, it owns and operates advanced distillation and retort facilities that use mechanical and thermal processes to extract over 99% of the mercury found in mercury-containing items, such as fluorescent lamps and medical apparatus. Enactus, an international organisation dedicated to enabling progress through entrepreneurial action, is running a project to upcycle advertising banners into fashionable accessories in Mexico. Enactus Global Board Member and Global Chief Operating Officer of KPMG International, Andrew Cranston, explains more.
Spreading the word generates a lot of waste. In Mexico, vinyl banners pile up without many recycling options. What if you could upcycle the banners into something better, even fashionable? Offer the discarded banners to struggling local artisans who can create functional products that people can buy. You've solved the waste issue and lent the artisans a helping hand. Great, right? This wasn't the idea of a think tank or a corporation. Students conceived and executed it. As members of Enactus, these students were able to repurpose waste into chic products that were able to generate income for local artisans and their families.
For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.